Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x minus 3 multiplying by x plus 9 multiplying by x plus 5 multiplying by x minus 7. This is equal to 385. So what are the values of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. Now the first step is to rearrange this equation such that we have x minus 3. This is multiplying by x plus 5. Then we have x plus 9. This is multiplying by x subtract 7. This is equal to 385. Now the next step is that we have x times x. This is x to the power of 2. Then plus x times 5. This is 5x. Then subtract minus 3 times x. This is minus 3x. Then we have minus 3 times 5. This is negative 15. Cross the parentheses. Then we have x plus 9 times x minus 7. So x times x, this is x to the power of 2. X times minus 7, this is minus 7x. Then plus 9 times x, this is 9x. 9 times minus 7, this is negative 63. Cross the parentheses. This is equal to 385. The next step is that we have x to the power of 2 plus 5x minus 3x, this is 2x, minus 15. Then we have x to the power of 2 minus 7x plus 9x, this is plus 2x, subtract 63, this is equal to 385. The next step is that we have x squared plus 2x is common here. So what we do is that we let x to the power of 2 plus 2x be equal to u. So let's express this equation here in terms of u. So we have u minus 15 multiplied by u subtract 63. This is equal to 385. Now here we have u multiplied by u subtract 63 minus 15 multiplied by u subtract 63. This is equal to 385. Now we have u times u. This is u squared minus u times 63. This is minus 63u. Then subtract 15 times u. This is minus 15u. Then minus 15 times minus 63. This is plus 945. This is equal to 385. Now let's take 385 on the left hand side so that we have u squared minus 63u. Then subtract 15u plus 945 minus 385. This is equal to 0. So this implies that we have u squared minus 63u minus 15u. This is the same thing as negative 78u. Then we have plus 945 minus 385. This is plus 560. This is equal to 0. So we form a quadratic equation here. We can solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. We have the product here, which is 560. The sum is equal to negative 78. So we identify two factors here, that is minus 70 and minus 8. If we multiply minus 70 times minus 8, this is 560. Minus 70 plus minus 8, this is negative 78. So let's substitute negative 70 and negative 8. Substituting these factors, we have u squared minus 70u minus 8u plus 560. This is equal to 0. So from the first part, we have got two parts here. From the first part, u is common. Let's factor out u so that we have u subtract 70 minus 8 is common here. Let's factor out 8 so that we have u subtract 70. This is equal to 0. Now, we have got u minus 70 is common here. So let's factor u subtract 70. Then we have u subtract 8. This is equal to 0. So we have got two cases here. We have in case 1, u minus 70. This is equal to 0. And in case 2, we have u subtract 8. This is equal to 0. So we have u1 is equal to 70. We have u2 is equal to 8. Now, the next step is that if you recall, when saying that we let x to the power of 2 plus 2x be equal to u. So let's start with case 1. Now, in case 1, we have x to the power of 2 plus 2x. This is equal to u1, which is 70. So let's take 70 on the left hand side, and this means that x to the power of 2 plus 2x minus 70, this is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation where we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and then we have c is equal to negative 70. Now the next step is that we can solve for x1, x2 by applying the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. So let's substitute a, b, and c. So we have negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 70 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So here we have negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 to the power of 2, this is 4, minus 4 times negative 70, this is plus 280, then divided by 2. So we have negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 plus 280, this is the square root of 284 divided by 2. So this implies that we have negative 2 plus or minus. We can express the square root of 284. This is the same thing as the square root of 4 multiplied by 71 divided by 2. Now, this implies that we have negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4. This is 2. Then we have the square root of 71 divided by 2. We have that in the numerator, 2 is common here. Let's factor out 2 so that we have negative 2 divided by 2. This is negative 1 plus or minus 2 square root of 71 divided by 2. This is the square root of 71 divided by 2. Now let's simplify 2 and 2 here so that x1, x2, this is equal to negative 1 plus or minus square root of 71. So we have x1 is equal to negative 1 plus square root of 71, and we have x2 is equal to negative 1 subtract square root of 71. Now let's proceed to case 2. In case 2, we have u2 is equal to 8. We have u2 is equal to 8. And if you recall, we have x to the power of 2 plus 2x. This is equal to u. So this is to mean that x to the power of 2 plus 2x, this is equal to 8. So let's take 8 on the left hand side so that we have x to the power of 2 plus 2x subtract 8. This is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation we can solve this by factorization method, where we have x to the power of 2 plus 4x minus 2x minus 8. This is equal to 0. So this implies that we have got two parts here. From the first part, x is common. We factor out x so that we have x plus 4. Then minus 2 is common in the second case here, so that we have x plus 4. This is equal to 0. So x plus 4 is common. We factor out x plus 4. Then we have x minus 2. This is equal to 0. So this means we have x plus 4. This is equal to 0. Then we have x subtract 2. This is equal to 0. So this is to mean that x3 is equal to negative 4. And we have x4. This is equal to 2. So we have 4 solutions to this algebra problem. We have 4 solutions to this algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. If you have alternative solution method, kindly showcase in the comment section. Thank you for watching.